Hey people, welcome back to Gamers Workshop. Today I'm again going to show you a PC build, and this build was ordered by RYZEN. So let's get started. Firstly, we are using Ryzen 5 7600 processor for this build, and as you can see, it's neatly mounted onto the B650 motherboard. This is a AORUS Wi-Fi motherboard. Coming to the GPU part of the build, this is really exciting because today we are using GIGABYTE's 3060 GPU, which has 12 GB OC edition. So yeah, as you can see, it's being carefully mounted onto the motherboard. And also to support multitasking and runs larger softwares or games, we are using a 16 GB DDR5 RAM for this build. Also, I forgot to mention that we are using a liquid CPU cooler instead of a stock one. This one is from DEEPCOOL, and I think the RGB on this one will take the build to a whole another level. Yeah, the final build, oh man, this one was really exciting to build, and thank you RYZEN for ordering this PC from us. And the final output really looks amazing, and yeah, this one was one of the best pieces we built. This build also included the gaming monitor that you saw earlier. This one is a 144Hz 27-inch LG monitor, and this one is just perfect for the gaming needs. And here we are testing out some Valorant on this PC, and the performance is top notch. The FPS is easily around 400, and even the display looks amazing. It's so crisp and clear. Yeah, so this whole PC came together very well, and thank you RYZEN once again for ordering this PC at us. If you guys also want a PC like this for yourself, you can contact Gamers Workshop today and get PC at amazing prices. As we always say, it's uniting price and performance. Thank you people for watching. Take care. Bye.